Inserting points using direct coordinate of the points is quite easy and obvious thing to do while creating surfaces in Civil 3D, but it's quite modern and really time consuming to have exact coordinate or the spot coordinates to create surfaces. This is a modern technique, but there is an old school method to do survey for the road, and that includes doing the survey using the station offset method. In this method, the alignment is created and the stations are fixed along the alignment according to the distance from the starting point. And at that station, an offset or a perpendicular distance from that alignment is measured, say for a distance of 2 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters, and the elevation of that point is measured. This is an old school method, so these are not much popular here right nowadays. Sometimes you do not have the total stations to survey direct coordinates. So in those cases, we might need to do station offset method. Now let's see how can we insert station offset method, the data from station offset method into Civil 3D. First, let's see what are the data from the station offset method. So whenever we survey using station offset method, first we fix chain edges along an alignment. The alignment can be defined by using deflection, length and deflection method, which we will talk later. So we fix the alignment. We take the right offset and the left offset. Right offset 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. You can do it at any distances as required, and we can measure the elevation at that point. So at right offset 5 meter, elevation is measured. At right offset 10 meter, at 15 meter, at every point the elevation is measured respectively. But these can't be easily inserted into Civil 3D. For this, we need to have a file in which there are 3 columns. The first one having chain edge, the second one having right offset, and the third one elevation. In the chain edge, we simply input the length, the chain edge, but it is in meters. So it's 0 chain edge is 0 meters and 10 chain edge is 10 meters. And this 0 should continue throughout the offset, and this 10 should continue throughout the offset. Okay, and these offsets, right offset is written as positive, and the all left offset are written as negatives. And the elevation are just copied. Like this, and we can just copy it. Like this. In this format, we can just create the data and save the data in space delimited format, or maybe you can just copy the data and paste it to a text file. Let's see how it's in text file. So in a text file, the data should be stored as station space offset space elevation. Similarly again, station offset elevation, station offset elevation, positive for right elevation and negative for left elevation. In the same way, we have to store all the data and save it. And let's just close the file and let's head to our Civil 3D file now. Now here, let's create a new file first. Let's create an alignment first. The alignment creation tools. Just leave the names as it is, and then select the tangent with curves to show the curves as well. And let's just specify a start point. Let's take a small length first. Okay, so around here, and a long one. I'll just keep it as it is. Let's see the length. It's 2.68 km, but we do not have that much of data for plotting. You can see as in our file. This is a made up data, so it's not much accurate, but it's just for informational. And the data is up to 410 meters only, so it will only be plotted up to 410 meters. But let's check out what happens next. Let's close this. Let's go to point, create points alignments, and import from file. After this, we need to browse our file. In the text file, we'll just open the text file, and you can see when you move your pointer on the blank space of the screen, you will see 6 options for the format of data in the file. But since our data is in the format of station, offset and elevation, which is in number 2, so we'll select number 2. The data are separated using spaces, so we'll select number 1, and these are just invalid indicators, so minus 999 is good enough, and this one is also okay. And we'll need to select an alignment, so let's just select the alignment first, and you can see after 2 clicks these points are inserted here. These points are only up to 400 and 410 meters. They are up to an offset of 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meters on both sides. Since this is a made up data, so it seems so much symmetrical and perfectly aligned, but sometimes the data are at 2 meters, 5 meters, 7 meters, or at offsets of 41, 42, 43, 50, 55, any changes. So that's not a bad thing to be concerned about. But you can see these points do follow the alignment precisely. The curves are well followed, and in these inserted points behave exactly similar as the points inserted from direct coordinate method, and it's not, and that's just very simple thing. And everything that can be done using the points and everything that can be done for using the points from direct coordinate method can be done using these points. They are exactly same, just the insertion method are different, and in this way we can insert it and use the old school method of survey to create alignments and to do topographical survey or a survey of a small corridor region.